Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about 4 facts about backsplashes. Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained, amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back. It's J. Lucky Henry. So today I'm dropping 4 facts about backsplashes. Alright, the first fact, right? Super important. You gotta pick a backsplash that makes your budget happy. If your budget is not happy, or the decision maker of your budget is not happy with the backsplash, I guarantee you won't be either. So that's fact number 1. Just pick one that makes the budget happy. And there are tons of options, so don't feel like, oh, this is the only one I would ever love, because there are different materials, different patterns, different styles, and all different price points. So look for one that fits. Number 2, adding a backsplash to your kitchen instantly increases value, right? Research has been proven that backsplashes in kitchens instantly increase the value. Now, how much does it increase? Totally depends on consumer taste, what you chose, etc. But fact number 3 is the safest bet is to go with a neutral or light colored backsplash. Now, light colored doesn't mean just a plain boring washout. It just means something that complements what you have in the kitchen and something neutral. So again, let's say you have a nice blue undertone to your kitchen, right? Blue, nice kind of blue grayish on the granite or the stone, and then you come in with a nice boom lime green backsplash. That's not neutral, right? Something neutral there would be like a nice beige or nice gray, whatever. You'll figure out the colors and work with a designer or someone like that to help you do this, right? The 4th thing I want to talk about is dark grout. Now, what did I mean dark grout? Dark grout actually holds up longer because of its color, and dark grout actually helps you hide or mask some of the water wear and tear that may happen. So water stains, things like that. Now, we're not talking about hiding and keeping something wrong with the kitchen from potential buyers. We're talking about just the wear and tear is a little bit better masked so that the kitchen doesn't look as old as it actually might be, and that makes it seem a little bit better, just increase the amount you can get for the kitchen. All right, those are my 4 facts. You could call them 4 tips, 4 facts about it, but that's what it is. Backsplashes instantly add value. Pick one that makes your budget happy, right? You should always go for neutral color when you're going for the resale, and dark grout actually stands up longer because the color allows it to mask some of the wear and tear. That's it. It's been real. It's been 90. Gotta go. Be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more.